In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the power function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and create a blank worksheet so you can follow along. The power function is a simple but very useful formula when you need to raise a number to an exponent. In other words, it helps you calculate powers, such as squaring a number, cubing a number, or working with values stored in cells. The power function returns a number raised to a specified power. This is especially helpful in math-related spreadsheets, financial models, engineering calculations, or any time you need consistent exponent calculations without doing them manually. The syntax for this function is equals power, then open parentheses, number, comma, power, and close parentheses. The first argument, number, is the base number you want to raise. The second argument, power, is the exponent, or the value that tells Excel how many times to multiply the base number by itself. Let's look at a simple example. If you enter equals power, open parentheses, 5, 2, close parentheses, Excel returns 25. That's because 5 raised to the power of 2 means 5 times 5, which equals 25. This is a great example of using the power function to square a number. Now let's try another one. If you type equals power, open parentheses, 4, 3, close parentheses, the result is 64. That's because 4 raised to the power of 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. This is how you cube a number using the power function. You can also make the function more dynamic by using cell references, instead of typing numbers directly into the formula. For example, if one cell contains 6 and another contains 2, entering equals power, open parentheses, D4, E4, close parentheses, returns 36. If another row contains 3 and 4, the formula equals power, open parentheses, D5, E5, close parentheses, returns 81. And if the values are 10 and 3, then equals power, open parentheses, D6, E6, close parentheses, returns 1000. Using cell references is a smart approach because it lets you update your numbers without rewriting the formula each time. You simply change the cell values, and Excel recalculates the result automatically. There's also an alternative method. The power function is equivalent to using the caret symbol, which is the exponent operator in Excel. For example, equals 5 caret 2 also returns 25. Both methods work, so you can use whichever one feels more natural. And that's how to use the power function in Excel. Once you understand the syntax and a few examples, it becomes a fast and reliable way to handle exponent calculations in your spreadsheets.